be doing another makeup look. This is going to be a New Year's look. And I already got started, as you can tell. So let's just get into it. So I'm going to put in my foundation primer first and go from there. So for the foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation in the shade 300. And I just apply it with this brush. You can do foundation before or after your makeup. This time I'm going to do before. But usually I do it after. After I beat my face. Oh my God. Quick drinking break. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my brow brush. And then I'm going to be using the Brow Stylish Definer from L'Oreal. It's brown. I'm not the best with my eyebrows, so just letting you guys know. But I try my best. I'll do this first and then define them with the brow brush. Like I said, I'm not the best in this area. So for the first color, I'm going to be going in with this color right here. And this is from the Morphe 350 palette. Then I'm going to go in with this one right here from the same palette. I'm going to try to stick to one palette, but no promises. So the next color is going to be this one right here. And we're just going to blend all that out. Now I'm going to go in with the one right next to it, this one right here. And I'm going to put that on my outer V. I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild palette. This is old, so I'm just going to be going with the dark one. That one right there. And put it on the outer V. Then I'm going to go in with this color right here. Since it is a New Year's look, I want to go in for a little glitter. So I'm going to be putting on this Revlon first, and then I'm going to actually get glitter on it. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild. And then you can just go in with the silver one or the gold one. I'm going to go in with the gold one. Next, I'm going to bake. While I bake, I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with my Trophy Wife from Fenty. I love this part. This right in there. I like to go out, then in. That makes sense. Next, I'm gonna do my eyelashes. Gotta do this first. So, the main one that I always like to start with is the Luminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I love L'Oreal, man. Oh my god, I can't open this. Bro. I'm gonna go in with my other Voluminous Original from L'Oreal. This was my initial baby, but then this one's better. You can use fake lashes. I just don't like using fake lashes because my lashes are already long, so I don't see the point. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown bronzer. So, putting it all my forehead. Next, I'm gonna use my Tarte Party Blush. Let me get a brush. Highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to go in with Summer. It's so pretty. You guys see that? Then I'm going to put that on my brow bone too. Just at the end, like so. Next, I'm going to go in with my Melted Matte Too Faced Carled Suck It. So pretty. Okay, you guys, that is it for this look. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and tell a friend. You want to look snatched for New Year's? Tell a friend.